door jack sucks, Pops. Holy crap. I already loosened the other two. I should probably take those off. Oh shit. Whew, that could have been dangerous. I'm not too concerned with this dangling because guess what? This whole wheel is supported by this brake line, so it's probably going to get replaced. Hey. There we go. When all else fails, steal your jack handle for a freaking breaker bar. Fuck. Alright, internet, don't judge me. All this hardware's getting replaced, so it doesn't matter. Can't find a 7/8 anywhere. I don't want to hit this in and get it stuck too, but there we go. Get out of there, you bitch. Whew. So this is 20 months. Look at how much I can. Look how dirty these are. They didn't even seal. See? How bad are these ones? Oh yeah. Fuck yeah, these are terrible. These didn't hold up at all. Alright, let's go see the new ones. Alright, these don't come pre-assembled. So it comes with Loctite. And this has to be torqued. Sorry, there's so much traffic. Jesus. Loud little freaking cobalt. Let's get this on. I think I might only do the one side tonight because it's getting dark. Sweet. Hang on a second here. Aw, motherfucker! Damn it. Son of a bitch. Oh, I wasn't paying attention, and there's two different sizes spacers. That's sweet. It's all gotta come off. Fuck yeah. Ow! Fuck. God. There. Whoo! America. I forgot to put these on my wheels. Oh, look at that. That was beautiful. Hey, there we go. Holy shit. Alright, so now I can actually get a socket in there and torque that down. And I'm going to clean this out. But, man, those look so much better than the old ones. Look how rusty everything got. Fucking Michigan, man. Okay. So now, this isn't going to come off because it's the shaft's inside of the uniball. So what I'm going to do is take this out, put some fucking Loctite on there. Now, I'm going to use it a lot. There's no reason for this to have to come off again unless it needs to be replaced, which if that's the case, then We'll just get the whole fucking thing. Cheese and rice. Yeah, that bitch ain't coming off now. There we go. One side's done. Got too dark. I can't do the other side right now. I don't want to, just because I don't want to skip anything. I don't want to go through this again, as in just shit falling off. But I'm anticipating the wheel to be, you know, crooked. It's going to need an alignment now. I'll just eyeball it for now until I'm done completely with all of my suspension, because I have other stuff that I'm doing too. I'm excited to drive my truck for the first time in like a week. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what's cooking. Oh yeah, the wheels are gonna definitely be crooked. I can feel that already. Surprisingly not bad. Oh man. You can definitely tell now that the right side is bad. Like, I don't even want to drive this right now. I'm gonna turn back around until I get that other side done. Brakes are working, that's good. I'm extremely worried about that brake line, because it freaking held my truck up for like 20 feet driving. They saved my truck. Yeah, my neighbors hate me. It's all good. It's only 7:30. You can deal with it at 7:30, bud. Okay. I'm liking how tight it feels already, though. Obviously needs the other side done still. What a difference already. Like, I'm excited now to get the other side done. Like, I'm super stoked. Like, my truck used to drive so nice, and then it just started riding like shit. And I thought it was the shocks, which they probably do need it. But I'm convinced now that the majority of the issue has been the upper control arms. And as much slop as that was in on both arms and the uniball were sloppier than shit. I'll probably be sending these back again in a year. I don't know. Or driving like shit again, I'm gonna send them back. Like, there's a lifetime warranty on them, right? Utilize it, I guess. Man, it's a lot of work to do once a year, though.